Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best fabric softeners is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in achieving that perfect laundry day bliss, transforming stiff, scratchy fabrics into clouds of comfort and leaving your clothes smelling wonderfully fresh, all while helping to reduce static cling and make ironing a breeze, ensuring your garments not only look good but feel incredibly soft against your skin, making every wear a delightful experience. Number 5. Downy Infusions Calm Lavender Vanilla Fabric Softener. Transform your laundry routine into a moment of peace. Our fabric softener brings a soothing scent to your clothes, creating a calming atmosphere. Immerse yourself in the gentle blend of lavender and vanilla bean. This unique combination provides a comforting aroma that lasts, making every wear a delight. Feel the difference with every touch. It leaves your fabrics incredibly soft and smooth, enhancing your comfort throughout the day. Enjoy a consistently pleasant scent that lingers. Our formula ensures your clothes remain fresh and inviting, wash after wash. Bring a sense of calm to your home and your wardrobe. This fabric conditioner is designed to provide a serene experience for you and your loved ones. Get more of what you love with this convenient pack. Ensure your favorite garments always feel soft and smell wonderful with this generous supply. What we like. Experience ultimate relaxation with its soothing lavender and vanilla bean scent. This fabric softener provides exceptional softness for your clothes. If you're looking to create a spa-like experience in your laundry room and unwind after a long day, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The lavender and vanilla bean scent is soft, relaxing, and not overpowering. It gives clothes that clean, cozy smell that feels perfect for bedtime sheets, loungewear, and everyday outfits. The formula really does make fabrics feel noticeably softer and smoother straight out of the dryer. Reduces static and stiffness, making laundry feel fresh and comfortable. Number 4. Downy Ultra Fabric Softener, Cool Cotton. Introducing Downy Ultra Laundry Fabric Softener. Enjoy the crisp, cool cotton scent that keeps your clothes smelling fresh all day long. This liquid fabric softener provides exceptional softness to your fabrics. It ensures your laundry feels as good as it looks. Immerse yourself in the refreshing cool cotton scent. It leaves a subtle yet invigorating fragrance on your garments. With 120 total loads in this 103 fluid ounces bottle, it offers great value. You get plenty of uses for your entire family's laundry. Discover the difference it makes in your laundry routine. It delivers a superior level of softness that you can feel with every wear. Please note that the packaging may vary. Rest assured, the quality and effectiveness of the product remain the same. What we like. Get incredible value with this extra large bottle, ensuring you have plenty of softener for many washes. Its refreshing cool cotton scent leaves your laundry smelling crisp and clean. If you have a large family or do a lot of laundry and want a reliable, long-lasting supply of softener with a classic fresh scent, this is an excellent option. What people say. This fabric softener works really well and leaves clothes feeling soft and comfortable. The scent is pleasant and lasts without being too strong or overwhelming. It leaves my clothes noticeably soft and comfortable to wear, and the fresh scent lasts long after the wash. I've also noticed less static and fewer wrinkles, which makes drying and folding much easier. Keeps fabrics soft, static-free, and smelling great. Number 3. Downy Cool Cotton Liquid Fabric Conditioner. Experience the refreshing scent of Downy Cool Cotton. It leaves your clothes feeling incredibly soft and smelling fresh, load after load. Our advanced formula provides superior softness that you can feel. It helps to protect your fabrics, keeping them looking and feeling their best. Enjoy the crisp, clean scent of cool cotton that lasts. It neutralizes odors, ensuring your laundry stays fresh for longer periods. With 164 fluid ounces, this conditioner offers great value for your money. It's enough to provide up to 190 loads of laundry. This fabric conditioner is gentle on all types of fabrics. It helps reduce wrinkles and static cling, making ironing easier. Make laundry day a more pleasant experience. It transforms your clothes, making them softer, fresher, and more comfortable to wear. What we like. Enjoy a massive amount of fabric conditioner, perfect for keeping your clothes soft and fresh for a very long time. The cool cotton scent is invigorating and pleasant. If you prioritize bulk savings and want to ensure your entire wardrobe stays soft and smells great for months on end, this large capacity conditioner is ideal. What people say. Decent price and kept my clothes soft and smelling clean. Lovely scent. Works fine, like the regular Downy, but we like to keep these little bottles on hand to take on extended vacations trips, by car, where we plan to do laundry at least once, in like hotel washrooms, and it's better than depending on their on-site detergents. Overall good scent, strong so you can add a lot less than the recommended amount. Number 2. Gain Laundry Fabric Softener Liquid, Original. Experience the classic scent you love with Gain Original Fabric Softener. It's designed to make your clothes softer and fresher with every wash. Enjoy the enduring freshness that only Gain can provide. Your laundry will feel as good as it smells, load after load. This liquid softener is gentle on all your fabrics, protecting them from stretching and fading. Keep your clothes looking and feeling their best. With a generous 129 fluid ounces bottle, you get up to 150 loads of incredible softness. That means long-lasting value and comfort for your family. Rediscover the comforting and familiar scent of Gain Original. It's the perfect way to add a touch of happiness to your laundry routine. Make laundry day something to look forward to. Its powerful formula leaves clothes incredibly soft and wonderfully scented. What we like. This fabric softener delivers the classic, beloved original Gain scent that many people adore. It leaves your fabrics feeling wonderfully soft and comfortable. If you're a fan of the traditional Gain fragrance and want a dependable softener that provides a good number of loads, this is a solid choice for everyday use. What people say. It's like a gentle hug from a long-lost friend. My overalls, shirts, and even them delicate unmentionables come out feelin' softer than a bunny's tail. It even helps with them pesky static cling problems. This formula is made using 100% renewable wind power electricity. Thanks to the newfangled aroma boost technology, the scent sticks around for weeks. Number 1. Gain Odor Defense Fabric Softener, Super Fresh Blast. Tired of lingering odors? Introducing the fabric softener designed to tackle tough smells and keep your clothes fresh. Experience the invigorating Super Fresh Blast scent that will leave your laundry smelling amazing. It's a burst of freshness you can feel. This powerful formula provides long-lasting odor defense, ensuring your fabrics stay fresh load after load. Enjoy confidence in every wear. Get incredible value with 150 loads of fabric softening power. It's an economical choice for keeping your entire wardrobe revitalized. Designed for use in both standard and e-washing machines. It works effectively to soften fabrics and eliminate odors, no matter your machine type. Don't just mask odors, eliminate them. Our advanced formula actively fights odor-causing bacteria, leaving your clothes truly clean and fresh. What we like. Tackle tough odors effectively with its advanced odor defense formula, leaving your clothes smelling super fresh blast. It's designed to work efficiently in e-washing machines. If you deal with persistent odors from sports, pets, or work, and you want your laundry to smell exceptionally clean and fresh while using an e-machine, this is the softener for you. What people say. Does not stain clothing, provides freshness, and you will be smelling good. It smells great and it cleans just like any Gain does. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.